welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing Eddie's makeup.
Hi.
This is Eddie. He has a YouTube channel as well. We did a video for his channel, and I will link that down below, and I will link his YouTube channel if you guys want to check it out.
I've been on your channel before. You make it sound like it's my first time on here.
But it's been a while.
You can be like, hey, welcome back. You know, like
welcome back, Eddie.
Eddie's back. You know,
Eddie's back, you guys.
Be a good fuck.
I'm going to start by doing his eye makeup, and I'm going to start by priming his eyelids. I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape.
I got you, B. I got you.
Okay, you show him the product.
Pop-Tart.
No. Shape Tape by Tarte. Tarte.
I'm going to lose you so many sponsorships.
That's messed up. For his eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Browy Wowie.
You didn't say that you were going for a natural look. A natural look for me is pale.
Are we done?
Yes, alright. Thank you for watching. I mean, subscribe.
The eyebrows. Don't cough on me.
Did you do my eyebrows last time? I feel like you did it.
I did it because you didn't let me.
I did it?
You're like, no.
Oh.
Okay.
Good. Give me that fucking freedom look.
For today's eye makeup, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette.
Yeah, Queen of Hills.
Let me get it right. The Jaclyn Hill palette. And I am going to be doing a natural look on him. I'm going to start off in the crease with this shade right here. And I'm going to be using my one of my beach cosmetics brushes. This one right here. You mean right here?
BH Cosmetics. BH.
Extensive bitch asshole. Or not.
Now I'm gonna with the same brush, I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this one right here. I'm gonna be using the same brush. And I'm gonna be applying this in the crease as well. Now I'm gonna get a clean blending brush. This is just my
What's
e.l.f.
the difference between a clean one and a dirty one? Stop. Exposed.
Because the dirty one has already product, and I'm using a clean one so I can blend out easily and more cleaner.
Oh, that clean was part of the title of the brush.
So we're using my e.l.f. blending brush, this one right here. Okay, and I'm just going to blend this out in circular motions, like I always do, so I can blend out easily and more cleaner. I'm not stabbing it.
Ah! That was
Stabbing.
Wow. You were like, I'm not stabbing. I was like, you're stabbing me, and you were like, bet.
Bet,
And then
bitch.
she stabbed me
Bet.
right in my cornea.
Are you blind though?
Huh?
Are you blind? No, you're not. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and pack on a shimmer eyeshadow, and I'm gonna be packing on. This shimmer eyeshadow right here to his whole lid. But before that, I'm gonna wet the brush with Fix Plus so it can be really pigmented. Close your eyes. Ooh, pretty. So I'm going to get the same blending brush. I'm just going to blend that out in the close eyes. In the crease, just to blend everything out together. Just really quick.
Open it or close
Open
it?
it. I'm going to pull your eyelashes.
What eyelashes? I don't have any.
Exactly. It's going to be impossible. Okay, so I'm just going to call his top lashes with the Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte.
Ooh, Lights Camera. Oh, that's so creative.
I know.
So some of these puns on this makeup is. I wish I would have came up with it.
Focus, bitch. There we go.
When you get this close to my eyes, like it's so sweet.
Don't blink because I'm going to fuck up your eyes.
Oh, I'm so fucking scared right now.
Just look all the way up.
I'm so scared right now. Okay. Did we get this close to my face?
I'm not going to hurt you.
I really gonna hurt me. Ah! I pulled way too much.
He has no lashes, you guys. No lashes. So now I'm going to go ahead and move on to the face makeup.
Literally, the last time I saw your mom was in the exact same position.
That's true.
That's the exact same chair.
For primer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. So you can look flawless and poreless. So right here. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Matte and Poreless Foundation by Maybelline.
Maybe it's Maybelline.
And I'm going to be using the shade 124 on him because he's pretty pale.
We were watching this video earlier. Laura Lee and her boyfriend. When her boyfriend picks out her makeup, or her husband, and really he picked out all the makeup because of like the packaging, the presentation. Low key, like the packaging is pretty impressive on this makeup. Like I want to have it just for the packaging, just because it looks cool.
Are you going to use it?
What would I use it for? Contour my ass.
You're going to give me the makeup. Impouncing motion. Look up.
Impouncing motions. 2018.
And then if you have a beard, you have to make sure you blend it out down the beard so it can really blend out. So I'm going to put concealer. For concealer, I'm going to be using the same concealer I used to set his eyelids, which is the Shape Tape. He doesn't really have dark circles, so.
I have these really weird lines under my eyes though. That I have no idea how I got them.
Those are wrinkles.
They're not wrinkles.
Yeah,
24 years old. I have wrinkles.
Yeah, you do. Open your eye. Look up. To set all that, I'm going to be using the air spun. And I am going to bake. So, look up.
This smells good. It smells like a good cake.
You want to eat it? Don't eat it.
Don't try it.
So I'm going to let that bake a little bit. While that's baking, I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of his face. I'm going to go ahead and spray him with some Fix Plus to take away the powderiness. So close your eyes.
Oh shit, I hate this part.
Close your eyes. Okay, not that hard. Relax.
Ah!
There you go.
Every time it
Don't wipe it off. Off that.
That's right, sleeve.
What? And then I'm gonna use the same brush to pack the rest of the setting spray.
I feel like this is not like an actual product. I feel like this is like something that like they're trying to sell you guys to just like cool you guys down after like doing makeup for hours. He's a typing bitch. Go in and tell you that it's for setting. It's not. It's setting you straight.
No. So now I'm going to go ahead and snatch his face, and I'm going to do some contouring. And I'm going to be using the Cheek Parade by Benefit. But I'm going to be using
Get fucking festive.
the Hula bronzer right in the corner. Smile.
This one.
The top one. And then I usually contour the chin, but since he has beard, I'm not going to do that.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to contour his forehead because it makes it look smaller.
A lot of that.
Bring it all the way down here.
All the way up. We also did a video on my channel, by the way, if you guys want to go check it out.
Yeah, I'll link it down below.
We played the little end of the year game.
Yes, we did.
I think it's pretty cool.
It was pretty cool.
She'll put it down in the link in the description below.
And I'm gonna, with the same bronzer, I'm gonna contour his nose to make it look really snatched.
Oh, I saw this little brush thingy on in one of
one?
your videos. Yeah. Wait, was it your video? Was it?
I mentioned this in my videos.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to highlighter. No, sorry, blush. And for blush, I'm gonna be using one of the blushes from the Blush to Go palette from BH Cosmetics. And I'm gonna be using this one right here.
This is the bitch hoe. Bitch ass hoe brush.
Yeah. Okay. You have rosy cheeks.
Oh, I hate that.
Why? Rosy cheeks. I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. This one right here. And this one is in the shade The Sweetest Bling. It is a pretty shade.
Thank you, Julie. I have an audience.
Thank you.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel. She's already subscribed.
That's mine.
Ooh, we gonna be poppin'.
To make those lips pop. And then with a smaller brush, I'm going to get the same highlighter and I'm going to highlight his inner corner and his brow bone.
I didn't know that the inner brow bone or the
Inner corner
was such a big deal.
Yeah, it makes the whole head look pop.
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay. So now I'm actually do lips. Oh, I forgot to say his eyebrows, sorry. Oops. You don't want these bushy shit. Like, don't move.
You're so scared about eyebrows.
For lipstick, I'm using this lipstick by Kate Makeup. I forgot the shade name and it came off. But it's this shade right here. So, open wide.
What?
Your mouth.
Oh.
Not that way.
Who's that chick? Psych. You want a chick? It's a whole bottle.
This is the final look right here, you guys.
Is it really? Are we done?
Yeah, we're done.
wow. Alright, let's see how it came out.
Here's
The big reveal.
the mirror.
Let's see. This is me, Cardi B. Oh wow!
You look pretty.
I'm surprised.
You feel pretty.
Well, my lipstick is a little crooked. I think you with the natural look looks good. Looks good.
Do you like your eyebrows?
Looks popping. Huh?
Do you like your eyebrows?
I do like my eyebrows. Yeah. If they were actually like well waxed.
They look better than mine.
Uh-huh.
You know how that color actually goes with you? That lip color?
Red lips.
It's not red. It's like burgundy.
Oh, do I love burgundy? That's actually my favorite color.
Yeah, how does it want?
Yeah, I like it. Actually, this actually turned out way better
There's another
than
one.
the last one. The last one was a fucking mess.
I'm glad that one got off.
Honestly. Okay.
Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time.
Well, also, we have a surprise for you guys. So, me and Blanca are going to collaborate every 3 months
Oh, yeah, we
on videos. Yeah, we fucking forgot. I literally just forgot.
Sorry.
Every 3 videos for 2018. So that's 4 videos.
Every 3 months, you said every 3
Oh
months.
yeah, every 3 months we're gonna do a video together. So keep an eye out for those. That's 4 videos of us
For this year.
For this year. And yeah. All right. So just let us know.
The next video is gonna be when I do his skincare. So it's gonna be in 3 months. 3 months away.
Guys. We're actually gonna do it right after this video, but we're gonna post it to 3 months because we're lazy.
Yes, we are. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and until next time.